Here are some common sounds that you may hear when your air conditioner needs service. If you hear a grinding or screeching noise that sounds like this, it's likely a worn-out compressor or condenser fan. If you hear a whistling sound like this, it could be from a clogged air filter, frozen air conditioner coil, or even blocked return vents. A rattling noise outside like this likely means your fan motor is out of balance or just needs lubricant. A hissing noise like this is a refrigerant leak and will significantly affect your cooling. If you hear a gurgling or a bubbling noise, it's likely a clogged air conditioner drain line, and that's an easy repair. And there you have it, some common air conditioner noises, which means your air conditioner may need attention.